Hello everybody, let us start your chapter number 10 of science, physics particularly. We have learned about one chapter of chemistry, one chapter of biology. Now we are going to start one chapter of physics. That is chapter number 10, light, reflection and refraction. Very interesting chapter. It is interesting because you have learned it in your previous standard, but here you are going to learn about some detailed study of reflection and refraction. See, first we are going to study about only one part, means a half portion of our light chapter, that is reflection. First of all, we start with the word light. You know light means what? The main source of light is the sun. Light, it is an electromagnetic wave. It is an electromagnetic wave which comes from sun to the earth in the form of radiation. It has very short wavelength. Light has very short wavelength. These are the characteristics of light. In short, not in your course, but for your knowledge only. Now, you know about reflection. What is called reflection of light here? Reflection of light. All of you think about that reflection means when light ray falls on the earth and can come back. Am I right? You are not right. Means 100% not right. You got this question, but representation is little bit difficult for you. Here you are going to use the word in science language, that is scientific word. If you say that light ray falls, then it is wrong word. You must have to say when light ray incident on any object and can then come back, get back. This phenomenon is known as reflection of light. So what do you mean by reflection of light? When light ray, only one ray or ray, whatever you say, when light rays incident on any object, whether it is smooth or rough, when it incident on any object and come back, then the phenomenon, remember the word, phenomenon is known as reflection. Reflection of light. Is it okay? You have also learned about laws of reflection. See, we recall it here. Laws of reflection. You have seen this type of diagram. Suppose this is the smooth surface. First of all, for your knowledge, I want to add something here. Reflection of light. Now you know the phenomenon reflection of light, that light ray incident on any object, whether it is smooth or rough, and then come back. Phenomenon is known as reflection of light. So from this definition, you can derive that there are two types of reflection. Smooth reflection and rough. Means regular reflection and irregular reflection. If reflection is regular, it is possible only when light ray incident on smooth surface and come back. in a same manner, then we said the reflection is regular reflection. Irregular reflection, naturally now you think, irregular reflection means what? When light ray incident on rough surface and get back, means reflection takes place, but reflection is not in proper way, not in same way. Okay, not in parallel rays. So imparallel rays comes out from it. That's why we said it is irregular reflection. Is it okay? If there is irregular reflection, then you can see the object. It means what? If there is regular reflection, you can't see? Yes, you can't see. But this is the deep study. As for example, suppose I said that the board is smooth. If it is smooth, then how can you see this board? If the board is smooth, surface is smooth, then that is there must be regular reflection. Okay, and according to the definition, we said that if there is a regular reflection, then one means human being cannot see the object. Here we can see the board. That means there must be irregular reflection. That means that the board is not smooth, board is rough, and that's why I can write on the board. Means apparently smooth surface, mirror is smooth, but apparently smooth. But when you see the mirror with the help of microscope, then you can see small dots on it. That means what? Mirror is also rough, and you can write on the mirror with the help of a sketch pen or any other. That means what? Whatever the object which is apparently smooth is not actually smooth. But for our common day, for our daily life, we said that body is smooth, mirror is smooth, the wall is smooth, if a paint is proper and smooth. So here, laws of reflection. We take a plain mirror. On the upper part it is a polished surface, and the lower part we show it by so this is called rough surface. Now you also recall that exactly perpendicular, it is called normal. This ray is called incident ray. This is called normal. This is called reflected ray. Now you have learnt about the laws of reflection. The angle formed between normal and the incident ray is called incident angle, theta I. Angle formed between normal and the reflected ray is called reflected angle, theta R. Theta, see the symbol, theta. Roman language, okay? And in Latin we said that theta, it is always denoted for angle, also in maths also. I stands for incident ray, R stands for reflected ray. So the first law of reflection is what? Angle of incident and angle of reflection are same. We can write theta I equal to theta R. Secondly, incident ray, normal and reflected ray, all these three at the point of incidence, this is called point of incidence. At the point of incidence, incident ray, normal and reflected ray are in the same plane. Incident ray, normal and reflected ray are in same plane. These two laws are given in your textbook for recall, but you can add also the third one, that incident ray and reflected ray, they are on opposite side of normal, that you can see. Normal, left side and right side. So third law also we can derive that incident ray and reflected ray are on opposite side of normal. So these three laws are the laws of reflection. You have to write this definition and laws of reflection. You know that some limitations are there. Board is very small, chapter is very big, and that's why we stop here and note down, repeat this video again, note down all these in your notebook. That's it